Do you ever notice Outlook switching your status to away even though you're still working? Let's fix that by making sure your Outlook status stays green and active. Start by opening Outlook and going to the Mail section. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. It's the circle with either your initials or your picture. From the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your Microsoft account page. Once there, click on your info. Scroll down until you see Skype profile and select it. It may feel a little unusual, but your Skype presence is directly linked to how your availability shows up across Microsoft services, including Outlook. Next, click Use Skype Online. This will open a new tab with Skype in your browser. Once inside Skype, locate the option labeled Set a Status. Click it, and from the options, choose Active. Setting your Skype status to active keeps your Outlook presence green, signaling to colleagues that you're available and engaged. This small adjustment ensures you look present and responsive throughout the day, helping you stay connected and professional. And that's all it takes. By syncing your status through Skype, your Outlook will always display as green. If this guide helped, be sure to check out my other tutorials for more quick and useful tips.